All right, here's our picture to go with our word. We just said the fast way. Hamburger. Think. What's the word? Hamburger. The children are eating a hamburger. They look very, very happy. Do you like eating a hamburger? What's the word? Hamburger. Hopefully it makes you smile like these kids. All right, when I move under something, I want you to tell me what it is. So first think. That means say the sound in your head without saying it out loud. Think. Get ready. Nice job saying ah. All right, next one. Think. Get ready. Yes, shoe. Think. Get ready. Girl. Good. Think. Get ready. Nice. Ah. Think. Get ready. Well done. Ah. Thank you for saying all these so well.